We all expect AI to do the heavy lifting. Instant results, genius answers, less work. But what actually happens? You write the perfect prompt, explain everything from scratch, wait for it to think, and it gives a mid-level answer. Then the real work begins. Regenerate, retry, rewrite, refine, repeat. After hours of trial and error, you finally get something usable. Not perfect, but just okay. And then people say you just need to write better prompts. But even if you understand AI deeply, how models work, how they are trained, and how systems are built, AI still needs you to correct it. And here is the truth. When AI is wrong, it doesn't even know it is wrong. You have to fix it. So how can something replace you when it depends on you? In today's video, I will share my research on why AI won't replace 3D artists. So without further ado, let's begin. History already showed us this. When calculators were invented, people thought mathematicians would disappear. They did not. Tools don't replace humans, they replace repetitive tasks. AI can generate ideas, scripts, images, code, and videos, but most of the time, the output is emotionally flat, generic, or logically weak. But why? Because AI doesn't understand emotion, intention, meaning, psychology, and moral responsibility. It doesn't know why you chose something. It does not understand your deeper goal. You are still the director. AI is more like an assistant. Or maybe I should call it a junior intern. AI does not choose purpose. Humans do. And yes, every month it is getting better and better. Still, what it lacks is uniqueness. Tell me something why you can spot AI slop very easily. Simply because it is trained on the same data available in public. Just like calculator can only calculate numbers which already exist, it cannot generate something magically, except errors. So find repetitive tasks and automate with AI. As a 3D artist, you can use it for many things. I already made a video talking about this, you can watch it here. So many people say just give better prompts or hire a prompt engineer. But here is the reality. There is no real long-term job called as prompt engineer. Prompting isn't programming. It is just writing clearly. AI is being integrated directly inside tools. You don't need a separate person to write prompts forever. What companies actually need is AI architects, designers, problem solvers, and good communicators. The real skill is not writing prompts. It is understanding problem deeply and guiding AI intelligently. If AI was made to simplify life, then why would we need a special person to write better lines? And this is where 3D artists can evolve. The future 3D artist is not someone who can just model or do texturing. They are workflow designers, creative supervisors, and technical artists who understand both art and logic. Instead of fearing AI, you should understand how to integrate into your pipeline, because AI isn't going anywhere anytime soon. The bubble may or may not pop. We don't know. But at least we can use it to make our life easier while refining our skills. I know some people might not agree with me, but I made peace with AI. At least for now. As a VFX artist, when I create something from scratch, I know why I'm doing it. Its emotion, the character motivation, and the deeper meaning behind it. AI does not. Even directors like James Cameron refuse to let AI write his scripts.
I don't want an AI model to write my scripts for me. I have a very particular, I think any good screenwriter has a particular lens on the world, a unique lived experience, and that's what they're they're there to express.
Because storytelling isn't logic, it is chaos, it is drama, it is randomness, it is human imperfection. The more specific and emotional your vision becomes, the less useful AI becomes. To be honest, AI will replace basic level repetitive tasks. But if your goal is to stay average, doing low skills, repetitive work, then yes, AI might replace you. But if your aim is to create visual storytelling and build uniqueness in your art, then my friend, no one can replace you. If you're scared AI will take your job, then ask yourself, are you building skills or doing repetitive tasks? Become so good at what you love that AI will become tool in your hand. That joy, that emotional flow state, the sense of meaning is something no machine can replicate. AI can copy patterns, but it cannot replace consciousness. And that's why your uniqueness is your real power. That's the real truth. And if you build your career around the truth, you will never be afraid of AI again. Also, if the AI bubble pops, you will already be such a master of your craft that you can continue to grow even more. So, don't worry, AI won't replace you. I hope you learned something today. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like, share, hype, subscribe, and I will meet you next time.